You should have. Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2021 Plaid Model S. Full wrap XPEL Stealth paint protection film. Let's take a quick look at what we got here. And obviously we're just showing the way you should do these wraps is by wrapping all these edges in. That's the plastic shroud underneath that you see this black stuff. Doesn't look like it has a good fit from Tesla, but whatever. But the edges all wrapped in, coming around here, this fender, wrapping that in by the A-pillar, wrapping it into the door area, wrapping the door in, wrapping that A-pillar fully around this side into the glass, and wrapping it around this side into the car. No line. Coming around that back side of the hood, nice and flat. Look at that, nice and clear. No markings, looking just fantastic. Wrapping in the tow hook, let's not forget that guy. We don't want that line, so we wrapped in there and wrapped the tow hook. So we don't have any, something in between there, a little fuzz. But anyway, not under the film, but here we are coming around that tow hook, all nice and wrapped perfectly. This car has several thousand miles on it. They really drive this guy to its potential, I can tell you that. It's got some damage in the lower areas from debris hitting it. When you're going 150 plus, which I know for a fact this owner does, every time he gets the chance, which is probably on a daily basis, you do get some damage on these rear hips. So even if you were going to do a clear wrap, I would recommend this area. You can see the damage that's underneath, and there's more of it. And then way underneath this bumper, way underneath, there's typically no paint left. It's just totally chipped off. So anyway, Plaid came off, Plaid went back on. So everything's pretty seamless here. No lines, just looks fantastic. Coming up under all these moldings is an important factor. Getting those rockers all the way under, getting everything nice and done up. Just a great deal. So there you go, folks. Looking for a wrap, whether it's glossy or stealth, and you're looking for that true hidden line. Once you wrap that, your potential is great to exceed that 10-year warranty, because the film cannot be compromised on any of its edges. Once you got the flat surface, that's half the battle. This is good to go, well down, but getting these edges around helps make this last longer, as this won't fray because it's put around the backside. So look for those wrapped edges, look for that clean install with no marks under the film, and obviously a prep is important before anything's done. So clearbrownnorthdallas.com. If you need something, you can also contact us at 214-414-3809. And if you need something, ask for Brent. We'd be happy to help you. Thank you.